Hi, this is Dr. Konstantin. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and New York-based facelift expert. And today we're talking about the most popular procedure, at least at this moment. And no, it's not Botox. If you'd like to know what it is, stay with us. Before we go into why this procedure is so popular, I have to give you a little anatomy lesson just so you understand what exactly we're talking about. Buccal fat pad is the fat inside the cheek, and it's really inside the cheek. This is not the kind of fat that can be removed with the liposuction, which we commonly do around the area of the jawline. It's a fairly large structure and it can go as high as the temple and as low as the jawline, but we are not concerned with the entire buccal fat pad. Most of the time when we remove it, we just take care of the part right here at the lower part of the cheek. Removal of the buccal fat pad will make your cheeks in this area look flat or even slightly indented. And this is the kind of look that was popularized right here. You guys can see the picture by Angelina Jolie in Maleficent, and she may not have had buccal fat pad removed. This was done by makeup, but of course you can see how the combination of that high cheek and slightly indented lower cheek created this very distinct look. And this kind of look became very popular with the models first, and then very popular with just many other people as well. Now, you're gonna ask me why, if this movie came out in 2014, why this procedure became popular right now? Well, and of course, we can blame social media for that, because celebrities, once in a while, they get this procedure done, and Chrissy Teigen was one of the most recent examples of that, and she admitted to having her buccal fat pad removed, and she posted her pictures on Instagram. Everybody started looking at her pictures, and people say, oh my God, I like it. I like this kind of look, and I want to get the same done. So nowadays, all the plastic surgeons has a huge increase in the number of people asking them for buccal fat pad removal because they like the combination of high cheeks and slightly hollow or flat lower cheeks. So how is actual procedure done? Well, this is not a big surgery really. A lot of times it's done under local anesthesia, maybe just with a little medication to keep somebody relaxed and comfortable. It's done from inside of the mouth most of the time, unless it's done with during the facelift, which could be done from the side of the face. The area is inside the cheek is numbed up, small incision is made, and the fat came out from inside. It's removed, couple of stitches are placed, done. Takes altogether maybe 30-40 minutes, up to an hour at most. Now, the healing process is not very long as there is not much bruising and swelling. People look pretty good fairly quickly. The only restriction would be the diet. So most of the time people stay on a softer food for about a week after the procedure, and then they just progress to their normal regular diet during this first week or two after the surgery. And now the question that's on a lot of people's mind, what am I gonna pay for this? Well, it's not very expensive procedure comparatively speaking to other cosmetic procedures. You would expect to pay maybe somewhere in the range from $5,000 to $15,000 for this procedure, depending on who you get this procedure with. And you don't have to pay a lot of money for it. Sometimes the procedure that you get for less money could be just as effective, but make sure you get this done with somebody who is a facial expert and somebody who's done quite a few of these. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and hope it was informative for you. If you have questions about cosmetic surgery, especially cosmetic surgery of the face, please ask those questions below and I'll be happy to answer them.